Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today we will make white phenyl. Friends, this phenyl is different from other phenyls because I will not make this phenyl with pine oil. Pine oil is very costly. I will make this phenyl with white oil. White oil is made with kerosene and kerosene is very cheap in price. That's why the price of white oil is very low in cost. So today we will make very low cost white phenyl. So doing business of this white phenyl will be very profitable. I had already uploaded a video on how to make white oil. I will give the link of the white oil in the description box. So friends, please go and watch that video of white oil. Friends, I will show you how to make low cost white phenyl in a full practical video. And I will also tell you the quantity of raw materials. So friends, please watch full video and don't skip in between the video so that you can understand it properly. So now without wasting time, let's go. Now let's start. For that I have taken TRO. This is TRO. See the color and texture. Full form of TRO is Turkey red oil. Turkey red oil. For making low cost white phenyl, I have taken an empty bowl and now I will pour some TRO in it. See, I am pouring TRO. Now, see friends, this is Alfox 200. See how it is in texture and color. It is easily available in the industrial chemical shops. Friends, now I am adding Alfox 200 in TRO. Then mix it properly. Mixing thoroughly is very important. Friends, see, this is white oil. The same white oil which I made in the previous video. It is also available in the local industrial chemical shops. But it is better if you make it yourself. Now, I am adding white oil in the solution of TRO and Alfox 200. Then mix it thoroughly. See friends, concentrated phenyl is ready. It is also called phenyl compound. See friends, it is transparent. See the texture and the color. This is called concentrated phenyl, or you can call it phenyl compound. It is very concentrated. See, this is fragrance, water-based fragrance. You can add any fragrance of your choice. So for fragrance, I am adding this fragrance in this white phenyl. Then mix it thoroughly. Mixing thoroughly is very important. So see your final product, that is concentrated phenyl, or you can call it phenyl compound, is ready. Now I will show you how to make white phenyl from the concentrated phenyl. So for that I have taken some plain water in a bowl. Now I am adding some concentrated phenyl in the water. Then mix it properly. See, now your white phenyl is ready. A pleasant and lovely fragrance is coming in it. And friends, can you see the beautiful white color? And friends, see, this is concentrated phenyl. This is transparent. Can you see the difference between both phenyl? Friends, if you want to make concentrated phenyl, you can make concentrated phenyl and keep in a bottle. It requires less space. For white phenyl, you have to add lots of water and many bottles are required to fill white phenyl. If you have less space, make concentrated phenyl and keep it. And if you have more space, you can make white phenyl and fill in several bottles and keep it. So you can do according to your choice. Friends, now I am telling you the quantities of raw materials. Please note it down. The quantity of Alfox 200 is 10 ml, TRO 20 ml. The quantity of white oil is 70 ml. So the total quantity of concentrated phenyl will be 100 ml. Now for making white phenyl, add 6 or 7 times water in it. Friends, if you want to make thick phenyl, watch a video which I had uploaded earlier of how to make thicker white phenyl. I will give the link of that video in the description box. Friends, business of this white phenyl will be very profitable. You can do this business because it is very low in cost, as the price of kerosene is very low and we make white phenyl from kerosene. So the result cost will be very low of this white phenyl. For doing this business, you can purchase bottles from the market. Bottles are available in abundance in the local industrial market and the price of each bottle is around rupee 1 or 2. So overall the cost of white phenyl will be very low. So doing this business will be highly profitable. Friends, I hope this video is helpful for you. If it do, please click the like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives. And friends, if you are new, please subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Please press the bell icon also. After pressing bell, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So if you want to see more videos, please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.